If you've ever watched other people sell the exact same offer and thought, how are they doing that and I'm not? This is for you. Because in 2026, it's not about who has the best product. It's about who has the best marketing. In this video, I'm going to break down why one proven offer is not enough by itself, the real reason why some people sell and others don't, and what you can do daily to build a predictable system without DMing people all day. Here's the truth: some people sell it and some don't. And it's not because the offer doesn't work, it's because they suck at marketing. And I don't say that to be rude. I say that because it's actually good news. Because marketing is a skill. And if it's a skill, it's learnable. Most people think that marketing means posting random content, throwing links around, being consistent without a strategy, hoping the right person sees it. That's not marketing, my friend. That's posting and praying. Marketing is getting the right message in front of the right person in a way that makes them feel like, wait, this is exactly what I need. Marketing is like going to the gym. You don't walk into the gym for 2 days and then go, why don't I have abs? You don't say, well, I guess fitness doesn't work for me. No, you realize you need the right routine, you need repetition, and you need time for those results to compound. It's the same online. If you learn the routine, you get results. And if you don't learn the routine, you stay frustrated. In 2026, I truly believe one of the best decisions you can make is to master one skill. That's marketing. Because if you can market, you can sell one offer, 10 offers, your own product later, somebody else's product now. Marketing is the skill that makes income predictable. Here's the realistic rhythm that I'm following: 1 hour learning, 2 hours earning. That's it. Learning and earning. And when I say earning, I mean doing the actions that actually produce income. Actions that create visibility, builds trust, and lead people to buy without DMing strangers all day. This is designed for real life, especially if you're over 40 or 50 and you don't want your whole day consumed by online business. Now, let's talk about why this can be realistic. You do not need hundreds of customers a month. If you have a higher ticket digital offer like 1400 and you keep 100% profit, you can do the math. 6 customers a month is 100K. That's why learning marketing matters, because the goal is not more hustle. The goal is fewer customers with higher profit with a system. One more thing that separates people who win: they build an email list. Because social media is amazing for reach, but an email list is where you build ownership. It's where follow up becomes automated. It's where you stop relying on being seen every single day just to make sales. So if you take anything from this video, take this: you don't need more motivation. You need a marketing routine. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly what that routine looks like, how to structure your content so it creates visibility, connection, and conversions in a 2-hour workday. Click the link in my bio to get free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint.